Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new update on Avalanche. Not sure when I covered this last, but right now it's showing a lot of bullish momentum. So obviously then I'm covering it. We're at this resistance level here at 26.5. As you can see, that's the very top of this resistance level right here. Arguably, there's still some other resistance at 27.5. That's a bit of a psychological resistance, of course, but the big question is can Avalanche reach $30? So that's what we'll be talking about. The markets right now obviously are quite strong. I mean, Bitcoin has found some resistance, and I do expect a bit of a pullback. So that's also what I'll be taking with me for this analysis. But overall, it's still very strong. And then Avalanche, see, what you see with Avalanche is that it usually rallies a little bit later. So if Bitcoin stabilizes here, Avalanche could still rally up way higher. And right now you can also see that the open interest, especially in the last day, has increased a lot. Has also fallen or at least stabilized in the last couple of hours a bit, but it's still, if you take the open interest right now, which is 266 million, that's still an increase of about 30% since yesterday morning, which for a huge crypto like Avalanche is a lot. All right, so there definitely is a lot of bullish, we got some big bullish moves, and there still is a lot of bullish momentum left in the tank as well. So now the big question is well, will Avalanche actually continue? And well, it's a bit hard to say, all right, because Avalanche right now fundamentally, I would say is doing great. All right, there are some amazing new projects on Avalanche, like for example Shrap, which I bought some time ago. This is an amazing project, and that being built on Avalanche, it's not the highest market cap, still a great project. But apart from that, also more like Trader Joe is doing some great things, and you can see that in the total value locked. The total value locked right now is $711 million. That's up about $200 million over the last 3 months, which is an amazing increase. So fundamentally, Avalanche would deserve it to break above 26.5, the main resistance right now, hold that as support and continue up to that level around $30. And then from there, we'll see again whether that's the last resistance or whether Avalanche can also rally up higher, for example, up towards, well, the next level would be like 33 probably. After that, potentially 36. But that's for later, all right? Right now, the big question is can it get that bullish breakout? And like I said, or at least what I tried to say is that right now it's a bit difficult because I would have said a couple of hours ago, I would have said yes, because then the open interest was still very high and also still increasing. But now that the open interest has dropped down a little bit and is stabilizing, the situation is a bit different. But overall, I do still expect this bullish breakout. Avalanche usually, when it has bullish momentum, usually it's very bullish. Right now we're up about 22%, which is a big increase. But if you take a look at the other big moves we got from Avalanche in the last couple of weeks, this would be a small move. So I do expect it to get up there. I also do think there's a bit of a magnet to $30, which really is a thing sometimes in analyzing and trading. And apart from that, like I said, Avalanche fundamentally is doing great. The open interest, sure, it's stabilizing, but it's also, there's a slight increase here, all right? And that's good to see. Maybe you can also see that right here. So this is a different chart. Hopefully that doesn't confuse you too much. But here you can also see that the open interest has actually been increasing again here. All right, so yeah, I'm bullish. I think we're going to get that bullish breakout. Now, I must say to end this video on a negative note that if Bitcoin really starts pulling back here, see right now it's quite bullish, but if Bitcoin really finds resistance at 44,000 and starts pulling back, then it's also more likely that Avalanche will still will pull back on the short term. But long term, I do still expect that Avalanche will find support at like 23.5 and then eventually get up to $30. So those are my thoughts. All right. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. But that's my my full thoughts and my analysis on Avax. So for now, thank you for watching. See you all in my next videos, and don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group with the links down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.